Brake pad's not working, right? That's pretty bad news. Often you'll first notice a squealing sound, like nails on a chalkboard every time you brake. This usually happens because the pads weren't placed perfectly flat. Against the rotor, next there's the vibrating brake pedal. When you feel that rapid pulsing sensation under your foot, it translates to a big problem. Uneven contact due to improper installation can cause the rotors to wear irregularly, leading to that awful shake. Now let's talk about poor braking performance. If you find yourself pressing down hard, just to slow down a little, that's a sign. Improperly installed pads mean less contact with the rotor, making the system way less effective. Ever experienced a dragging brake? It's like you have one foot on the brake and the other on the gas. This happens when the pads are misaligned and continuously rub against the rotor, causing constant friction. It's really frustrating when your car doesn't respond the way you expect. One major giveaway, but the car pulling to one side during braking. This uneven braking force usually stems from misaligned brake pads. Here's something you might miss. Abnormal pad or rotor wear. Visual inspections might reveal one side wearing faster than the other, or grooves on the rotor. All pointing to improper pad installation, which can get costly. Sometimes, if you detect a burnt smell near your wheels, you should worry. This smell indicates overheating due to excessive friction from a poorly mounted pad. Continued driving can damage the entire braking system. Do you hear clunking noises? That's not good either. But when brake pads are loose within the caliper, brake components can shift, leading to distinct clunking sounds whenever you stop or turn. Let's not forget about brake fluid leaks. If the pads aren't seated correctly, they can cause distorted brake calipers, resulting in leaky seals. I think the brake fluid is the engine's lifeblood. Don't ignore it. Pro tip: never overlook your brake warning light. It's there for a reason, usually indicating something's off, and improperly installed pads could very well be the culprit. Regular checks prevent disasters. Lastly, if you notice signs but aren't sure, don't hesitate to get a professional's opinion. It's better to be safe than sorry. Ignoring small signs can lead to big repairs later down the line. So keep an eye, ear, and even a nose out for these signs. Well-installed brake pads save lives. Regular maintenance and proper installations are your best friends in ensuring safe journeys. Stay vigilant.